How to add transparent texts in videos. Hello guys, if you want this type of transparent texts in your videos, then you are in right channel. Here I will show you how to do that. So please watch till the end. But before that, hello gamers, welcome to my gaming world Fate of God. Let's begin.
Can you kill something that big?
What do I call you?
First, we will need two things. First, an app which is Pixel app. Second, font what you want for text. For phones, we will go to the Chrome and search the website name Da Font. Here you can find many categories. Let's select this and download whatever you like. And you can search phone's name too. It will download in zip files. Then extract your phones and move it to one folder. Then second, you can find Pixel Lab in Play Store. Download it. Let's go to Pixel Lab. Let's make some points which we are gonna do. 1 name, 2 font, 3 text color, 4 shadows, 5 background transparent. 1 first type your name. I will use my channel name, Fate of God. Next we will go to capital A. Find font. Here as you can see, there are many default fonts. You can either use it or if you want to use your another fonts, install it from here, My Phones. Click in Add Text icon. Add your downloaded fonts from folder or you can add whole folder. Now it's time to color the text. So we are gonna use only white color. So it will blend with atmosphere of your video's background. 4. You can find shadows in same A icon. Adjust it as you like. 5. For the background. Click to this icon and choose transparent background. Now it's time to export it. You can find export button on the top. Click in save image, format PNG. Put quality dimensions in ultra for better quality. Then save it. Let's get into editing software or application whichever you use. I will use CC in desktop. Drag down your clip and image. Select image, go to composition or blend whichever you have. Do overlay. Here it is. It will smoothly blend with background. If this video helped you in any subjects, then don't forget to like and share it. And let me know if you want any other tutorial on something which I use on my videos. See you on next video. Thank you. Be safe, keep playing and keep growing.